Our battery-powered walk-behind electric aircraft tugs are designed for one person to safely and easily maneuver aircraft in tightly stacked hangars or staging on the ramp. The Lindbergh Aircraft Tug Company has taken industry-standard parts and hand control systems so commonly found in the material handling industry and applied the technology to the aircraft ground equipment industry. Our aircraft tractors are designed for more demanding use, where greater product reliability is needed. The Aircraftcaddy dual-nose wheel rider walkie aircraft tug is designed to pull both single and dual-nose wheel aircraft in either a riding or walking operating position, from your hangar to staging on the ramp. It has a smooth acceleration and braking system, from the either-hand variable speed thumb twist grips that eliminate jerkiness found in gas-powered aircraft toe clutching systems. Also, the quietness of the electric motors on our aircraft tuggers allows an operator to manipulate the aircraft while having the full use of sound, sight, and touch. The Aircraftcaddy dual-nose wheel rider walkie aircraft tug moves airplanes carefully at speeds of 0 to 3 miles per hour, up small inclines, over bumps, and in all weather conditions. Our aircraft caddies are battery-powered and designed for long run times between charges, and they plug into any 110-volt outlet for charging. The versatility and quality of our aircraft tugs are perfect for any aircraft towing application up to 35,000 pounds, for individual, FBO, or corporate aircraft ground equipment. Development of Lindbergh aircraft tugs was born from years of hands-on design and manufacture of thousands of power tuggers for diverse applications at many Fortune 500 companies, including Boeing, GE, Ford, GM, ExxonMobil, Caterpillar, Cardinal Health, Walmart, Procter & Gamble, Johnson & Johnson, and John Deere. Lessons learned in a broad range of challenging material handling applications were honed and applied to the unique needs of the aviation industry to create a new line of innovative aircraft tugs and tow tractors. If you're in need of an aircraft tug, Lindbergh Aircraft Tug Company has the highest quality aircraft ground equipment and the most competitive prices. Please contact us today at 1-800-686-2651 or www.djproducts.com/aircraft-tug.